Do you guys know what the save button is supposed to represent?
Control S?
No. When you hit you know how the save button always has the same symbol representing it?
Oh,
You know
yeah.
What
There's
is
a
it?
symbol games that are that. There's a symbol on the save button?
Do you guys know what it's called? I see chat's getting it already. What was it called?
Well, I already know because I can read chat, so I'm not answering.
I don't want to say it.
I'm starting to think you don't know. It's a floppy disk. Do you know what a floppy disk is?
It's like Bibu's chest.
Oh,
Yeah.
What? What? What do you mean? It's like it's like Mococo's chest. What? Yeah.
Moco?
You mean floppy, like flower, right?
What was like a stack of floppy disk at that point? And slightly melted so it's curved.
What? I'm fluffy, thank you. I'm not fluffy. Fluffy! Fluffy!